If your property manager has invited you to perform an inspection, you must have received a welcome email with your credentials and the steps you need to follow to download the zTenant app and log in. Once you download the app, you should go back to the email you received and tap the Login button under the second step. This way, your credentials will be filled in automatically. On the inspection template, tap on Other Tenants to add the names of any additional tenants. Otherwise, just type in None. Right under that, you can see the condition table with the area list to inspect as determined by your property manager. Next to each area, you can see a red camera icon. That means your property manager is requiring you to take at least one general photo of each area. Tap on that camera icon for each area and take as many photos as you see fit. At this point, you will be prompted to give permission to the app to access your camera and your location to capture and geotag your photos. Once you have general pictures for an area, tap on the area name to expand it. Within the area, you can see all the details associated with it. Select the appropriate condition for each detail, such as S for satisfactory or D for existing damage. You might also see an exclamation point as an option. You can tap on that if you believe that an action needs to be taken for a specific detail. If the entire area looks good, you can tap the checkbox in the area header to mark all details within it as satisfactory. You can then change any individual details to existing damage or an action as needed. For any items marked as damaged or an action, you will see a red comment field and a red camera icon. That means that you're required to add a comment and take a picture for that item. Once you have completely inspected an area and provided any required documentation, you will see a green check mark on the left of the area name. You can tap on the next area name to expand it and inspect it. In order to submit your inspection, you must have a green check mark next to all the areas. Once you have that, you can tap on Proceed. On the next screen, you can review your inspection and sign it. Once you save your signature, you can tap on Submit. Leave the app open until your uploads have completed and the number at the top of the screen reaches 0. You should receive a copy of the inspection in your email. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to your property manager directly.